Wow, what a place. We're Jagger and Woody from Heart Breakfast. We've come to Coleg y Cymoedd to look at the various university courses that they do here.
And there are plenty as well, let me tell you. For example, business, sport, teaching, animal care, fitness, you name it. And all these courses and many more are available through UHOVI.
Right, now we're lined up to do a media makeup course. Let's do it. Come on.
Are we?
Yeah. Right, so here we are at Media Makeup, Props and Wardrobe. That's the department we've been sent to do our course.
Indeed, but joined by two students, first of all, Faye and Ellie. Now, first of all, guys, tell me, because I know a little bird tells me you've done some outside work with Real TV. What's that about?
Well, basically the course we're doing is called Performing Arts Technologies and specialises in doing makeup for television. So we do sort of special effects makeup, we learn the art of bulb cut making, wig making and all crafty things like that. A couple of us have worked on things like Doctor Who,
Wow.
Da Vinci's Demons.
Looking around here, you've got some fantastic costumes. Are they all made by yourselves?
There are some students that do wardrobe management on our course, but there's also a costume course at the college as well.
So what are you going to do to us then?
It's a surprise.
Make us look better, perhaps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do our best.
So, Woody's in the makeup chair. Faye's about to make him into an accident victim. And then after that, they're going to turn me into a monster. So, Woody, you go first. There we are. Have a look at yourself as you're normal. And you're about to be turned into an accident victim by Faye. Good luck, and I'll see the end results soon. Can't wait. So, Woody's in makeup at the moment. With me now is course leader Jane. Jane, tell me a bit about the course and what it is exactly.
Well, it's a 2-year foundation degree with the University of South Wales called Performing Arts Technology. The degree covers 3 subject areas, either wardrobe management, small props making, or media making and special effects. A lot of the courses is work-based learning, so they have work placements, which have been really successful over the whole of the 2 years so far, and they include placements at Rotherlock, which was on Casualty, Publicum. We've also had students helping on the prosthetics team of Doctor Who recently this year, as well as doing other independent filming stints as well.
So they get to make up the stars.
Well, as you can see, Faye's done a great job of turning me into a nasty accident victim. But the real work has gone into this fella to change him into a monster. So, are you ready for the reveal? Kids, look away from the camera, and adults, brace yourselves. At least I can take mine off.